Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now in this video today, we have a special collaboration and we are celebrating Black History Month, and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY. Now I also have some co-hosts, and they are Designed with Emma, Creations by Simone, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, DIY Design by CCW, Diva Decorating, At Home with Lisa, Divine Inspiration, Decorating with Jazzy Green, Maryland Cozy Lifestyle. Now this collaboration was freestyle, and make sure and tag your videos, hashtag BlackHonor23. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, what I decided to do here is decorate a tier tray. But since we're doing it on my coffee table, if you guys have watched my videos, you know we got to decorate the whole thing. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank each and every one of you who participated in this collaboration, either by joining in or watching. I so appreciate you. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and continue decorating this table. Now, February marks Black History Month, a tradition that got its start in the Jim Crow era and was officially recognized in 1976 as part of the nation's bicentennial celebrations. It aims to honor the contributions that African Americans have made and to recognize their sacrifices. Now, today, I choose to celebrate you. Now, though we're among many people that lack understanding, in the Bible it says in Hosea 4:6, "My people are destroyed from lack of knowledge." Now in Romans 2:11 it says, "For God shows no partiality." So today we celebrate the achievements, the sacrifices, and the achievements to come. Amen. Now, did you know that clicking the like button and full watching the video, this helps me to grow? And comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now, if you head on over to my community tab, you will see a whole list of different collaborations that I'll be hosting, and I do post them monthly. I also announce them in a live on Monday evenings at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I cannot wait to see you there, guys. Now, I do ask you to be a little bit patient with me with the lives because I'm still learning, but I will be there. It's try again, guys. So the candles are lit. I'm so excited. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, may God bless you and may He shine His face upon you always. Amen. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.